Next question on subsidiary books. Prepare subsidiary books. Invoice goods rupees 600 to Surbi traders. Means I have invoiced the goods to Surbi traders. I have made the invoice. So I have done the sales. I am selling to Surbi traders. So first book that I will make is my sales book. Okay, so point number 1, sold goods to Surbi traders. So Surbi traders, how much? 600. Next, Deepen Shah invoiced goods rupees 10,000 to us. This time Deepen Shah is invoicing goods, means he is invoicing, he is selling the goods to us. So for us it is purchase. So purchase book will be prepared. So first write purchase book. $10,000 to us at the rate 2% trade discount as per our previous order. Now previous order, when I place the order, it is not a binding contract, not a legal form of transaction. So no transaction was done when I placed the order. Now when the party has invoiced goods to me, now this is a contract. I have purchased goods for 10,000 and on it there is 2% trade discount. Now I will record this transaction. So purchase from Deepen Shah how much will be the amount? 10,000 minus 2% trade discount, that comes up to 200. So the amount total will be 10,000 minus 200, 9,800 in your outer column. Point number 3. Receive credit note from Deepen Shah for goods returned to them rupees 2,000 gross, that is before doing the adjustment of trade discount. So I have to bring it to net, because entry here done is of net amount at the time of purchase. So bring 2,000 to net and then do the entry. Now I'll read this point again. Received credit note from Deepen Shah. I have received credit note, means it is purchase return. Okay, so purchase return book has to be opened. And in that, party's name Deepen Shah. Okay, 2,000 gross. So 2,000 gross. Now to make it net, less 2% trade discount, less 2% of your trade discount, that comes up to 40. So 2000 minus 40 comes up to 1960 in the outer column. Point number 4. Purchase goods from Ruchita rupees 12,000 and sold it to Aditya at profit of 25% on cost. So this point has two types of transaction. One is purchase and one is sales. So first mark purchase goods from Ruchita 12,000. So in purchase book, Ruchita, I have purchased from Ruchita for rupees 12,000. Okay, purchase goods from Ruchita 12,000 and sold to Aditya, means in sales book I am selling it to Aditya at profit of 25% on cost. Now what is my cost? My cost here is 12,000, okay, and on 12,000 I am adding 25%. 12,000 into 25%, that comes up to 3,000. So 12,000 plus 3,000 comes up to 15,000. So this is for the fourth point. This is how you record it in the books of account. Now you need to take the total. 15,000 plus 600, 15,600. Here only one transaction, so 1960, and here 9,800 plus 12,000 comes up to 21,800. Moving on to next question of your subsidiary books.